Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. In this video, we're going to focus on finding fractions and decimals on a number line. So for our first example, it says 2 points are plotted on the number line as shown. What values are represented by the points on the number line? Okay, so the first thing I suggest is think about this as a fraction, your part over your total. Those dots are the part of where they're at, but we got to look at the total. So I count all the pieces. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, of course, I've only did half of them, so that gives me 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if you notice, the first part is 2/10, which would give me 0.2 as a decimal. And then I could also simplify this to 1/5. Now, if I wanted to stretch it further, this would be 20%. All right, so for the next one, you have, it's at a 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/10, which you already know where it's going, 0.6. You could even go further by 60%. You want to simplify 6/10. It's 3/5. All right, so let's look at the next one. It says, which point best represents 33 1/3? Okay, so this is about 1/3 of the total. So we're close to 3/10. So let's first look at my total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. That means there's 10 total parts. And 3/10 is close to 33 1/3. Now, so what I'm going to do is look for the third one. 1, 2. It says best. This is not exact. It'd be just a little over. So here would be 33 1/3%. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. And if it did, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.